Welcome everyone to the third session of the Tephra Fusion 2022 workshop. Today we have examples of implementations at CSAR and EarthChem. CSAR primarily focusing on samples, and EarthChem largely covering geochemical data, as well as a few other things that you'll hear about when our speakers get started. We have Sarah Ramdeen and Lucy Profeta, and they will be speaking here in a moment. As a reminder, this, as I said, this is the third session. The first was an overview and introduction to kind of the landscape of FAIR data and the development of a series of best practice recommendations. And session 2 was focused on StraboSpot as an example of an implementation of the best practices into a field data collection tool and database backend that supports that. And the videos and Q&A for both of those are on the Tephra Fusion 2022 website. And so if you scroll down, we get to the archive and we have videos for these, session 1, Q&A document from session 1. And we have the same videos for session 2, and the Q&A for session 2 will be up pretty soon. And we'll do the same thing for the current session 3. And then next week, we will have session 4, which looks more towards the future and next steps and all of that. I should also point out the best practice recommendations upon which much of this is built is available over at Zenodo. And these are intended to be living documents that can be updated to reflect input from the community, new needs that get identified, and so on. And as you can see, they're already been versioned a few times to version 3. And so that could be incremented again as needed. So let's get the CSAR EarthChem slides started. Just